Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones back with another video for your head top. Today we will be exploring what I think is probably the worst Air Jordans of the year, and ironically they made it in the last month of the year, the last few days of the year, and you probably already seen what that was in the thumbnail. But if you're new to my channel, man, what's good, boy? What's the vibe? Y'all already know the vibes, man. When y'all come to see my channel, man, y'all come to see some litty vlogs, some litty reviews, you know what I'm saying? They be litty, I ain't even gonna hold you. Boom! I'm in my bag right now, man. I'm feeling this. I'm loving y'all, man. The support has been amazing, and we only going up from here, you know what I'm saying? We only going up. Shout out to everybody that's been watching. Shout out to everybody that's been holding it down, boy. That's on dog. Seeing how I'm from Cleveland, I'm an Ohio State guy, you know what I'm saying? I even got it yatted on me right there on the shoulder, boy. I ain't really O State to the death, man. We lost last night. Tough game. I don't know who ever watched football, but if you do watch football, matter of fact, if you ever watched a football game in your life, you already know what I'm gonna say. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, say it with me. Smash that like button. Now look, I'm a basketball guy, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. I can get dirty when I want, you know what I'm saying? I'm young Chef Curry with the pot. That's on dog. But at the end of the day, I still gotta support my O State Bucks, man. We took that L. But what I'm asking you guys to do, if you ever seen a football game in your life, don't have to be college. So today, man, mall vlog. I love doing mall vlogs, you know what I'm saying? I love giving y'all an insight of what I think on sneakers, bro. You know what I'm saying? Today in Atlanta, it's a good day. It's like 72, which is very rare. It's been cold as a snowman's, you know what I'm saying? It's been very cold the last few days. And with that being said, you know, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm excited to not wear no jacket, not wear no hoodie. I'm from Cleveland. You gotta understand what that's like. Being from Cleveland is like, as soon as you see the weather say it's 60 degrees, you wearing shorts. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna cap. Cause it's so cold. It's 30, it's 20. You know what I'm saying? It's cold. So me, you know what I'm saying? You check the weather before school, as soon as they say it's gonna be 60 anything, it could be 60.0. Your boy hopping out with some shorts, you know what I'm saying? I'm rocking the holler shorts when it's 60 degrees. So I check the weather, I see the high was 72. I said, what? Yo, what? Yesterday it was like 43. 72, huh? I ain't wearing no jacket. That's the vibe. I'm not wearing no jacket today. And I also wanted to give y'all a different vibe. Usually I hit up the same malls because I win every raffle dang near at Greenbrier Mall. And if I don't go to Greenbrier Mall, I'm at Lenox. So today I'm gonna give y'all a different vibe. We're gonna go to South Lake Mall, which is out there in Morrow. Still like, you know what I'm saying, nice little ways, but you know if you live in Atlanta, everything is 30 minutes away, so it really don't matter. Get this on the run, man. We about to check the vibes, man. Make sure you smash up this like button. If any of my supporters are in here, smash that like. We this close to 40,000 of them, dang, 40,000 subscribers. Whew, man, this was crazy. Like when you see this, and then like one day when I'm at 100, I look back and I was like, wow, I was really that crazy over 40K. But it's like, hey, like when you in the moment, it's like, I'm just happy we growing. That's it. When you start doing YouTube, you have no idea where you gonna land. You just out here just thugging it for real. And to see where we at right now, I'm just forever thankful. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. At least let's try to hit 40 before the end of the year. We at like 38. Can we please hit the 40 ball? 40 ball on dog. Send this content everywhere. My shoulder hurt from holding this camera. I'm out of here. Plot twist. I'm not driving. He driving. Shout out my son Q. You know what I'm saying? Every day I try to make a sustained effort in my life to make time with my kids. You know what I'm saying? And Q here, this is my youngest boy.
Youngest but older than you.
Yeah, youngest but older than me. Y'all seen Don't Be a Minute, right? when the pops was younger than the son. Me and Q gonna head to the mall, mess with a few breezies. You know what I'm saying?
And they gonna mess with himself in the mall.
Not only did Q say he gonna drive to the mall, he gonna buy your boy something to eat too, man. I just wanna say, bro, hey, thank you, man. I really appreciate that.
When your channel get disappointed, you don't eat. Don't blame me.
Everybody eats, B. Everybody eats. So look, I walk in the house, Q like, I see you got them ugly shattered backboards on. For y'all that don't know, I got the 2.0s on. 3.0s, I'm sorry. But I made a video maybe a month ago. Before I made the last video, I said this was the ugliest Yeezy ever. Before the 500 high came out. And y'all was wondering what is the ugliest Yeezy ever? And he got those on. The Soft Visions. He got the Soft Visions on. What I can say about the Soft Visions, because a lot of y'all say they was fire. I don't agree. Just like y'all say those 500 highs is good. I don't agree. Garbage. How you feel? You don't like those either?
The highs?
Yeah, them slate joints, the black ones, the highs, they come onto your ankle.
Garbage.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not against 500s. Y'all know I got them. The only problem I had with the Soft Visions was the colorway. Now, when it come down to the actual slate, I would wear the Soft Vision before I wear the slate. Them hot 500 highs.
It's like a hooping shoe.
It don't even, it look.
It's like an old Hooper shoe 2002.
You remember them John Wall Rezigs?
Remember the old Kobe ones from Adidas?
Yeah, oh my goodness, the ones that look like your little yachts, the little boat looking shoe.
Like that with cushioning.
Exactly. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Kanye, if you watching this, I got all your albums, man. So don't hate me. I know you're a sensitive guy. I'm a huge fan. I just don't like 500 highs. And I don't like these soft visions. All right, so we here at South Lake Mall. Like I said, we doing a different vibe today. I'm tired of the same mall. I need to give y'all different looks, different strokes for different folks. Q, tell them I'm not lying, bro. What's been the weather the last few days? Rainy, cold, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm out there in Portland, Oregon. If we got any subs out there in Oregon, you know what I'm saying? No shots. I'm just saying I know it's rainy and I know sometimes it's cold out there. But anyway, like I was saying, today feel good. I'm happy to come outside, you know, no jacket, you know what I'm saying? Next time you see me, it's gonna be shirt off Snipe. All right, man, we in the spot. We in a place to be. And right off the bat, you already know what we came here for. These have to be the ugliest shoes of the year. I came all the way up here for this. Now look, I'm not opposed to denim shoes. Okay, I said this before in my video. If these would have came out like the Levi 4s, we could have been possibly coming out with a different verdict. These are gonna sit easy. These will sit until tax time, and everybody gonna pick them up. You with me on that? They gonna sit till tax time?
They're gonna sit till the nigga with tax time wanna spend money, yeah.
Tax time come around, you know, people got a little, little dollars to mess around with, and then these will be bought. Now, me personally, I'm not a huge fan of the Air Jordan 6. I don't go against it. It's not like I'm not rocking with it. I just don't feel like you can be. Don't try to be super creative with a silhouette that's not already popping, right? But on the flip, the 1 is popping. I would have been very disappointed if they would have tried to pull this on the Air Jordan 1. So let's just thank God they didn't try to pull this on the Air Jordan 1. They kept it with the 6. I want to hear from more of my guys that like 6s down below in the comments, because I do know people that have bought this shoe. I know YouTubers that have bought this shoe. So obviously some people like it. Me personally, it's not my thing. I got 2 types of different denim. And let me say this. If I see anybody, and I mean anybody, wearing a denim outfit with these denim 6s, you getting a beach, bro. That's on me, no games. Q, I said anybody out here wearing a denim outfit and some denim 6s, they gotta get the beach, bro. You know, you gotta get the beach, bro. I'm sorry, you got to, man. You got, yeah, you gonna get some jokes. You gonna get the beach. You can't be doing that. You can't be doing that. I don't know, man. 1 through 10, I'm gonna get these. What'd you give them? 2.
For the effort.
He cold, man. 2. I'm gonna give him a 4. I give him a 4, man. Not me. I'm sorry. I can't do it, guys. On another note, though, these are some Air Jordan. What are these? The Air Jordan 34s. And I seen Zion promoting these heavy before he got injured. Yeah, and they say it's supposed to be some good hooping shoes. And your boy Snipe, I ain't gonna hold you, man. I've been back in the gym. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing my thing. The price is $180 though. You feel me? Nike basketball sneakers are cheap. Paul George is $120. Kyrie is $120. So Air Jordan, like the Team Jordans, y'all need to come down. Because when it comes to competition, nobody's gonna buy these shoes for $180. Where they can get a pair of Kyrie's, Paul George's, Zoom Freaks for $120. So speaking of Nike basketball tees, see 2 sneakers here. This right here is the Pearl KD 12. I still got the Pearl KD 4s, which in my opinion is the best Pearl KD. If you agree, then comment down below. Pearl KD 4s, if you don't remember those look like, Google them. I'm not really opposed to these. It's a little bit bulky. Definitely a hooping shoe. The reason why I like the 4s so much is I feel like the 4s was like a shoe that you can wear with a fit and hoop it. You know, it's like both. Next up, we got these LeBron, which ones are these, the 17s? Yeah, LeBron 17 more than a game joints. Now he actually wore these on Christmas when they took that L to the Clippers. See how they got the Air Max?
Yeah, because that's what color it is.
Yeah, that's fire. This is fire. And it's only 110. Yeah, this is fire. This is fire. So Kyrie has linked up with the Air Max TN, I believe. The Air Max TN, it's that sunrise colorway. This is fire. Got the Akai Air on the back. All right, I'm in finish line right now, and the Yeezy Reels are sitting. No, they're not a late shipment. No, they're not returns. They are sitting in South Lake Mall. They got a 9, 9.5, a 10, and a 10.5 in the Yeezy Reels. Was the Bread 11s really that impactful that these did not sell out? Because I was thirsty and happy when I got my pair. Kanye, let me know your shoes not selling out no more, bro. Wait, this new whip?
Sprint.
New whip, shawty?
Nah, I'll get one of
Hey, I'm used to you picking me up in the Sprinter van. Hey man, look, check this out. My camera's dying right now, so I gotta postpone the vlog. But what I do want to say is, hold on, turn this down real quick. What I do want to say is, if y'all have not watched that Kevin Hart docu-series on Netflix, fire. I'm gonna tell you why. Got nothing to do with him being funny. Got everything to do with his grind, his hustle, the way he go about stuff. That dude works. Crazy, insane, like insane. And what's so crazy, as I was talking to Holla, both got like that high motor. Whenever we link up, we do like 8 videos in a day, 7, 9 videos in a day. And once we done, we just continue to think about what can we do the next day, or what can we do better. We look at analytics to see like how can we do better. So like when y'all be like, man, the channel is growing, or the videos becoming better, it's not by luck. I'm not guessing. I'm studying. I'm grinding. I'm trying to figure out exactly what y'all looking at, what y'all like, what y'all don't like, the do's and don'ts. It's an actual process. YouTube is not easy. I know a lot of y'all know that because a lot of people watch me are smaller YouTubers, bigger YouTubers, or people who want to be YouTubers or have tried it and quit because it's very difficult. So just watching that docuseries had me a little bit more motivated today. That's why I woke up in a great mind frame and just like, you know, just dream big, man. I know the motto, bro. I'm not gonna preach about it, but if you haven't watched it, I really think you need to. This dude is just like on another level, and that inspires me to kind of pick it up this year. We heading into 2020, so that just gives me more goals and more ideas to just push towards us and just to grow the channel bigger. But regardless, like I said, my channel, it's gonna flourish, man. We gotta put a lot into it. I'm gonna see y'all at the crib. My camera is dying. I'm out. Okay, guys, what's up? Obviously, we back at the crib. This feels weird to me. I think the camera is slanted, and I'm too lazy to fix it. Look, I got a new tripod coming in today. Don't know how this one got broken. Maybe it's because I've been using the heck out of it. This is a cheap one. It's like the one I got from Amazon. I think this one was like $20 or something like that. I definitely went cheap. Anyways, guys, look, today was very, very simple. We figured out the worst sneaker in history is the Air Jordan 6 denim. I mean, hands down, it was terrible. God awful. Like, I knew it was gonna be bad going into it, but it was even like worse than expected. Till next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody wanna be famous, but who really put in that work though? That's a fact. We live in 2020. I'm gonna call it 2020 even though it's not 2020 yet. Everybody wanna be famous. And I know everybody say, I don't wanna be famous, but I don't mean it in the terms of wanting to have glitz and glamour. Everybody wanna live that famous life. We live on Instagram, we live on Twitter. We see people who's doing better than us on Instagram and Twitter, because all that is just a lot of glitz and glory. It's not what you think it is. But everybody want that certain lifestyle. You gotta work for it. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people are lucky enough to get generational wealth where like Donald Trump's daughter isn't gonna have to work, but 99% of us do not have that. You know, we gotta get out the mud. 10%ers are like the ones that they got it. Then it's us. It's the rest of the 90 percentile that just gotta work, man. You gotta get it. So when I mean everybody want to be famous, everybody want that nice lifestyle, you know, to live financial freedom, to be able to move how they want to move, to not be enslaved by a job or manager or person or a time scale or any type of barriers or any of that stuff. Like, everybody want to be in that lifestyle. But who really put in that work though? The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a difference. I hope I'm getting through to a lot of y'all right now, man, because I know I'm preaching, but I really want you to understand, if you want your life to change for the better, but you wake up and do the same thing every single day, nothing new is going to happen. You're going to live the same reality for forever, and nothing is going to change. But if you wake up, put your first foot forward, you stop worrying about what so-and-so think, stop worrying about what he thinks, she said you weren't going to make it, he said you weren't going to make it, and just do what you want to do, bruh, hey, I guarantee you're going to see a change. I guarantee it. Everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? It is your boy, Snipe Jones, and I'm out, man. Dream big.